blood, I'll give you freedom. These legendary words told by one of the greatest freedom fighter of this country, Subhash Chandra Bose. Today, we are standing over here in front of the Netaji Birthplace Museum to commemorate his legacy which he left behind us. Today was the day when he started his primary education. So,
Viewers, and welcome back to Stuart Live News. Now we are reporting from the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Birthplace Museum. On 23rd January, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one of India's greatest freedom fighters, was born to Janaki Nath Bose, who was a lawyer. He started his education in Stuart School, and he organized the Azad Hind Fauj and went a deal of army with Germany and Japan.
victory or defeat is not important, but the fight is everything. We all know that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a great leader, but the special day of today is today he started his primary education. To commemorate that day, today all the NCC students, all Scout and Guide and students from Standard 5 are assembled over here in the Netaji birthplace to form a rally. So here we can see. स्टार्टिंग में दे चुके हैं
भाई सुन ले तो अभी थोड़ा सीरियस है ना 3-4 महीने रुक जा तू भी अनसीरियस बन जाएगा चिल में
चलते जा आ जाएगा
The students of Stuart School are walking with energy and enthusiasm in their hearts. Everyone is just very encouraged with the rally of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and everyone are very energetic, and everyone are having love for the great freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you.
Energy! Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave his life to protect India, to serve people in the country. Today, we Stuartians commit to give our energy, to give our time to commemorate this day when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose started his primary education. This day is not only for the primary education day, but also the day when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose grew up and fought like a fighter. Today, we commit to serve the legacy of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and to continue his strength, his wisdom and his legacy towards in future hands. Thank you.
A special assembly is conducted to tribute to our beloved freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose by Stuart School, Cuttack.
Today we all assembled over here to tribute to the legacy of Subhash Chandra Bose and the day when he started his primary education in the school known as Protestant European School, now called as Stuart School. Now today I feel proud to be a part of the school.
As the day comes to an end, now I'm signing off from our Stuart Media team. This is reporter Aradhya Dhar and this is
Puneet Agarwal.
signing off with the cameraman Sai Sharan. Thank you.